Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to borrow crypto. First, this is not a financial advice, it is on your own risk, but I will show you how I borrow crypto, usually stablecoin, then I buy when some crypto is low, and I return what I borrow when this crypto go up. It is on your own risk, but I will show you how it works. Okay, I am now on one lending platform. You can see here web address, and I will show you how I will do this. In my previous video, I represent you how to move cryptos from Ethereum to Polygon. If you don't have settings for Matic Polygon, I suggest you to view my video about how to move cryptos from Ethereum to Polygon. Now you can see I have some Matic here and settings for Matic network. This is required. Okay, now I will deposit some Matic. Now, when you first time use some lending platform like this one, you need to connect your wallet. It is very simple. Okay, now you need to go to deposit, and in this case I will deposit Matic. Okay, I will deposit almost maximum. Always leave a few Matic for fees. Continue. I will also open Ethereum app inside my hardware wallet. Always suggest to use a hardware wallet. In the video description I will put some links, including my blog post how to use a hardware wallet and where to buy it. Okay, first I will deposit. Now you will see why I use Polygon, because of small fees. Ethereum is almost unusable for small investors, because fees very often $50 or even more than $100 for every single transaction. In DeFi there are many transactions. Every day you will have a few transactions. Now you can see I will always increase this gas price to 10 usually, and you can see how low our fees. Even I increase gray, you can see this. This is in Matic token, okay? And confirm. Now I will need to confirm inside my hardware wallet. Review transaction and confirm. And now I need to wait. Confirmation will be very fast, because Polygon is very fast network in comparison with Ethereum. Already confirmed. And that's it. Now I can borrow crypto. I will to check. You can see how much it is low. I will now borrow. What you need to watch health factor, okay? Always my recommend is to have this factor about 1.4 or 1.5. But when I return Matic, this factor will be higher. Okay, here you can see 1.35 5, but I will return this matic. Okay. Continue. I will borrow $200 USDC, and then I will exchange for matic. To increase my health factor. You can repeat several times this, but this time I will not repeat. Just one time to see how it works. Again, I will enter 10 Aave. You can see how low fees are. Confirm. Also, I need to confirm inside my hardware wallet. Now we'll see notice about confirmation. This is all in real time to show you how it works. Okay, but of course it is on your own risk always. There is always some risk about this. If you have any question, please comment. Also, I will put my blog web address. There will be also a blog post about how to borrow crypto. Okay, and that's it. You can now see my health factor, but I will deposit more. Okay, I will deposit more. But first I need to exchange. Inside QuickSwap. QuickSwap is official Polygon decentralized exchange. I will put these links in video description. Now I will click here on this down arrow because I will exchange stablecoin USDC to matic. You see at this moment about price for matic in dollars. This is wrong, sorry. I will enter 200. You can see how much I can get, and this is fee. Fee is low in comparison with Ethereum, for example, Uniswap. Confirm. Here you can enter also, for example, 5 Aave, but I want to be very fast, and fee are low, you can see. 0.002 matic, 0.03 matic, okay. Confirm. Also confirmation inside my hardware wallet, larger than S. Accept and send. Close. Transaction confirmed. Now I will go inside my wallet. I should see some matics here. You can see. Now I will deposit matics again to increase my health factor. Why? Because my dashboard, you can see my health factor. It is recommended to stay above 1, but I like to have even higher. Okay, now I will go to deposit matics. I will enter 150. Always you need to have some matics for fees, but you have seen how fees are low. 1 matic is enough for many transactions. Okay, deposit. I will get new health factor, you can see, because when price in case go down, you need to be safe from borrow liquidation, okay, because there will be some extra fees and we don't want to do it. Now again 10. Confirm. Also confirmation is on my ledger. Every single transaction needs to be confirmed via ledger. Why? Because I want to be safe. Also, every MetaMask or wallet inside Brave, which I personally use, as you can see, there is option to connect with hardware wallet, and it is recommended. Okay, you can see hardware and connected via Aave.com. Okay, now I can go to dashboard and you can see how much I have deposits in matics, how much is at this moment in dollars, and new health factor in green, as you can see. Also, when you use this platform, you will get some reward in matics and you can claim. Usually I claim when go up about 1 matics. Okay, and that is it. If you have any doubts or questions, please comment this video or inside my blog post. Read carefully this video description, will be useful links and link to my blog. And that is it. It is of course on your own risk, but I represented in this video how it works and how it should work. Okay, thank you for watching and bye.